In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an invoice template in Xero. Customizing your invoice template is a simple but powerful way to make your invoices look more professional and aligned with your brand. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero, how to open the template editor, and how to safely save your changes so they're used on future invoices. First, make sure you're logged into Xero. Start by selecting the right organization. If you manage more than one business in Xero, look towards the top area of the screen where your organization name appears. Open that menu and choose the organization whose invoices you want to change. This matters because each organization has its own separate invoice settings and templates. Once you're in the correct organization, look for the settings option. This is usually found in the main navigation bar near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Settings. If you don't see it, you might need the right user permissions, so check with your account administrator if necessary. Inside the settings area, locate and click on Invoice Settings. This is where Xero keeps all the options related to how your invoices look and behave, including templates, numbering, and default terms. Clicking Invoice Settings will open a page that lists the invoice templates currently available for that organization. On this invoice settings page, you'll see your existing templates in a list. Find the template you want to change, then look to the right side of that template row for an options menu. Click on Options. This menu gives you actions you can take on that particular template. From the Options menu, choose Edit. This opens the template editor, where you can change the layout, wording, and other appearance details. Give the page a moment to load fully before you start making changes. Now you can edit the template. Here you might adjust the logo, update your business address, change the font style, or tweak the labels and descriptions that appear on the invoice. You can also review payment terms and any standard messages you want to appear on every invoice. Take your time and double-check information like contact details, tax numbers, and bank account information to make sure everything is accurate. When you're happy with your changes, scroll down and click Save. This step is crucial. Your edits won't apply until